Before we start the video, we have a new competition for you to win. So we have a question for you. Who is the new Kaizer Chiefs coach? The question again, who is the new Kaizer Chiefs coach? You can SMS the answer to 32608 and then you will be automatically entered into a draw to win one of 500 rands cash prizes and a supporters jersey with your name on. The terms and conditions do apply. You must have a valid World Sports betting account to enter. Only one entry allowed per person. All entries will be verified. The competition ends on the 31st of October 2020 at midnight. No one under the age of 18 is allowed to enter. The question again, who is the new Kaizer Chiefs coach? You SMS your answer to 32608. Terms and conditions apply. iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Kaizer Chiefs versus Mamelodi Sundowns in the ABSA Premiership. It's a preview with the Junior Khanye in one of our studios in Randburg. We'll talk mostly about the predictions of that particular game. If you feel like you know what's going to happen in that game, he doesn't know what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen in that game. But if you do feel that you know or you suspect what kind of result we will see in that particular match in the DStv Premiership, then you can go to World Sports Betting and bet on that particular game. So www.wsb.co.za. Second one, before we continue to the video, we will not be able to attend every game in the ABSA Premiership, in the DStv Premiership. We'll attend 1 or 2 games per weekend. So hard luck for you if you want us to go to all those matches, but we can't be able to go to each and every game for financial reason as well. Junior, DStv Premiership for the very first time this year. We'll see this season kicking off the first matches, Kaizer Chiefs taking on Mamelodi Sundowns. For you, how important will that game be for Steve Kompela, Manqoba, Mngqithi, and Rulani Mokwena, and Gavin Hunt as well? Izobaleka kanjani le game?
Yeah, very surprisingly, premiership as South Africa, we shooting kulmang top of the league. DStv premiership, obviously. Previously it was ABSA premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns calling a Kaizer Chiefs, very surprisingly. Mara, it has to be. There's no running away, irrespective of what. Bebazohlangana labantu going, we should to get phambili. Yeah, Nkululeko, truly speaking, it's not going to be easy game. Kulmanga po teams, very disappointed with Sundowns last week. I don't know what Amakhosi will approve on me. Very disappointed. I've got a big respect for Manqoba, Mngqithi, and Rulani Mokwena. So bang let it down. As assistant coaches, being respected as Manqoba, our coach, now was assisting at obviously Mngqithi. Yes, improve a lot, definitely. Psychologically as a coach, as a player and a coach, umuntu is here in the emhlabeni ukuthi afunde. So Mngqithi, I believe ufunde a lot from Pitso Msimane, Nkulumanga Manqoba, Mngqithi, now Rulani. A team winning ABSA Premiership previously last year. So Nishinchani, ya winning at Bank Man, Nishinchu Wenzan. Why bringing force up? Why bringing force up? So ile nto ukuthi thina budaki enhleke sinale ngqondo ukuthi probably angazi but the reality wengibona ngakhona. Why fixing if it's not broken? You understand? Ama-sapa 4. It's something else, bro. Ufaka abantu abanjengabo Shaluli. It's something else. Abo Omnyiko movie. It's any into. You understand? You can't do that, my brother. Mamelodi Sundowns bengamelanga ngenzela ama-sapa wenzile kusho ukuthi le 4 iqalile last week. We understand you can't fix it if it's not broken. Ngisho kuwe ngithi kuwe. Umeza, we understand it's gone. Respect. Usually bekanoqala umshishi umeza uSerino. Now kufaka uKhemiti Rasmus lapha. Kube umshishi uKhemiti. We understand no Serino. We understand my problem. So that the Sundowns be more fluid. My mazodlala kusho ukuthi ngale ndlela ukuthi ufaka abantu abayi4. The team completely changile bra. And angazi ukuthi ama-coach azama ukwenzani. You understand? Kusho ukuthi ayisabi seyahlephuka manje phakathi. Siyadangalaza team. So Nkululeko just ukuba advise abajita mina le game le also njoba ngisho before ngizosho score and ukusho izohamba kanjani. Kaizer Chiefs didn't play well last week. I don't care who says what, it's a reality, but definitely we need to give credit to it. They won, bra. But na last year we need so. Ngama set piece and as ngisho ababreakanga ngama engel wonke. Ngifuna babona ababreakanga ngama engel wonke, right, left, in the middle. Having touches in air, fine owners. We understand it tells to their defense. ngoba last week bathatha ama decision wrong abokuthumela mabafika epalini ile ngisafuna ukuyibona. Yes, good goalkeeping, I love Itumeleng Khune mina. I've got nothing one of the best for me lemfana ngimthanda kakhulu. One of the ngikhuluma ngase Africa, not the South Africa. I mean, I believe Africa we are compete umfana. If it's not the best, we are compete. Go top 5, you understand? So I give credit to coach Kutile Tukune. But I think the question mark ngendlela Chiefs edlala ngayo bangitshela.
Let's just go to their defense. I mean, I think one of the biggest problems last week was that they played 3 in defense. In essence, Beguno Anthony Akamu. There was also Ramatlon Patlele and Cardoso. And then you would have on the right wing back Frosla, and then Jürgen Sessman was also on the left wing back. Now, that formation gave so many opportunities to our opponent, Ugutikbena 3 against 2, 4 against 3. It was always outnumbered, the defensive Kaizer Chiefs. So I think tomorrow it will probably be a huge problem. They can approach it that way as well.
I think advice to Gavin Hunt. Gavin Hunt makazodlala ngabo Ramatlon Patlele ku center back. Ramatlon Patlele is a right back. Originally position. Yes, you can play center back, but mangabe ukhawathekile. Mara mina is not my favorite. You can't do ukuthi une height engaka uchampa ibhola. Umischachi ibhola. Imenzile last week. It tells you ngequality ukuthi ayiyo. Can you put up ku center back? Umfana okay ufikile last week umidle mfito wadlala. Against ukhumbula Maritzburg. It's good, but pound to pound with Kaizer Chiefs obviously. You've got this thing play Maritzburg. Coach is very clever. And a player individual team yonke in a structure, you understand? So obvious badlala in the instructions individual brilliant abasebenzela, but as a team mina ngisashima respect not yet, you understand? Pound to pound compared with nalama player lawo alapha Kaizer Chiefs. As ngisho kuwe ngithi coach can bring adlala isuplom lapha yana kushukuthi ku center back inonguzana center back both can't go they tried it.
I don't think he will change Cardoso drastically. I think Cardoso is, I'm not saying it's good or bad, I'm just saying Wuti, based on experience, Cardoso played the whole season and is continuing to play now, was nominated as one of the best defenders in the country. I'm not saying it's good or bad, I'm saying Ngenqondo coach is not gonna all of a sudden change.
True Ivar, but mina bese ngisho Mashiane go back to the left. Gimbe ngizoyenza kanjalo ngithi Bloom center back adlale naye lo mfana ungezana. Mina for now if I started ngifrema uzothi did well uKardoso last year wenza ama plan amaningi kakhulu. Ngabukela igame yamaZulu lapha yana abadlala neKaizer Chiefs 2-1. Wenza iplan abanomathawa balandelana. Most games that is playing ulandelana I center back eKaizer Chiefs ay complementani. So mazo keep up for now nale season ushukuthini. Yeah, understand amangabuletha somebody na corner still I sensitive position lapha yana. Kunguthi ulethe umuntu uzomfaka nomuntu kunguthi last year we costed the team. You understand? And bengamelanga ba consider kunguthi the way bebalida ngakhona. Noma ngabe experience doesn't do nothing if you're not good enough. Experience doesn't mean anything noma ngaba ukho good enough. You understand? So ngithi kuwe mina bengizomdlala uMashiyane starting from kule season. Kaizer Chiefs abo Mashiyane nabo need to raise their hands. Akusi youngster. Ungezana is 29 if I'm not mistaken. Ngifanda uthi my 29 years. And abo nguza lo mfana Mashiyane 24 25. They must raise their hands. Kule center back bengizoqala ngabo kule season ukuthi nabo uthi babone. And then right back probably I bring Umliko. Naye Mngqithi ngisasho ngine question mark but bengizodlalisa the new center back issue ukuthi le season eqalayo. You understand? So if uthi wena
I just want to go back on this thing again. I don't think Gavin Hunt is going to all of a sudden start with a brand new centre back. I'm not saying you are right or wrong. That's not my job. It's your job to analyze. I'm just saying, logically, from my experience of watching these guys, like my coaches, I'm not saying that's good or bad, but they're not going to all of a sudden start on the right, Umuleko, Ungezana, Mashiyane. It's going to be a new look Chiefs, and you're putting yourself at risk. You've won in the MTN 8, you are now in the semi-final. Why would it change all of a sudden as well?
The question is, umuntu wazibhola kahle understand the football uzoyibeka. They never been tested originally. Kusasene season inde kakhulu. But same people they will come around ku Gavin Hunt. Uzongibamba isandla. Le back four ikabe right. Ayika testwa le back four. Ayika testwa nkuleka spend kanqane nangebadlali bayi3. Gavin Hunt the strategy asap sokudlala bayi3. Weba I center up umuntu odlala la in the middle anchor yakhe. Ibecome umuntu ozoba babe4 maba defender. Angeke travel quick nebhola ngoba uyisweeper in the middle batheka ngama wing back. Lento le ibuya akube second option yokuqina le ukuthi atheka ngama wing back. Because Kaizer Chiefs in all the teams na last year coach yiko ngishilo mina ngithi uGavin is not going to change similar like uGavin Hunt uNS Melodop. But yes, in reality ukuthi uGavin ngiyamkhanga planning. And uyakwazi ukula uKevin is uyakwazi ukulibona iplay good, but the philosophy yakhe is not, it doesn't believe in skillful players. So iKaizer Chiefs, that's why ngitshela ngithi mina, even now game last week they didn't play well. How many shots at target first half? Bennett Park ngibukele le game bengihleli nawo. Bennett Parker, you understand they break, but and nakhona bekatwela phasa labuyela kuyenya. Ngikhuluma ngo break, I mean breaking defense, nge run off the ball, movement of the ball. Ngifuna ukuyibona Kevin mina. They must move off the ball. They must play kushuthi most bayekele into yokuswitch amabhola. You switch when option yokugcina. You understand my brother? Mhlawumbe defense ichekile uyale switcher. Mina ngifuna ukubona movement of the ball kule team ka Kevin. Fluid, bangadlali nge-energy babe fluid, energy kube bonus. Sibona you need energy mara ban fluid. First ababe comfortable ama player. Can you bring back confidence ngifuna ukuyibona qala. Players abokhama ba take players on. And you need more of Kamapila at Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs.
I do want to say, Guti, in the second half there was an improved performance. Remember, we shot a halftime video on iDiskiTV on Facebook. We always shoot halftime videos. You can always follow us there and watch those halftime match videos. When we spoke at halftime, really, it was sad, it was negative, and we called it as we saw it. Akumelanga City it's not that way, you know. And then they came back in the second half and they did a little bit better. Bennett Parker were able to break. Pilat were able to break as well. I know that there's a shortness of time in this particular video. I want to spend some time, before we close the video and get your prediction, I want to spend some time on the Sundowns. There's a lot that's being said about Lamadota Matatu. Steve Kompela, Rulani, no Coach Manqoba. This is like an ongoing thing now. Do you have confidence in them from the first game?
Mina njengoba ngisho ngithi lama coach ngicela ngaprove next now. Last week, they prove a point. I don't know who gave them England to they must change that team. The team winning Absa Premiership. The team winning Nedbank. We long sell Gwensan. Why changing? I demand we change Gwensan. You understand? Are we answering the anti-season Masai Parat if somebody good at team Fagil doesn't give what you expected? I don't know whether you get me. No, it's true. So as Nisho disappointed last week, but I'm sure. Abo Manqoba, mina respect to Manqoba and Jobong Chedid. And he has learned a lot, I believe. Kupitso Msimane. Pano Rulani, I respect him as well. Pirates good in Jabang Cheli. Pirates was playing well. But Pirates with Chole, Moshegi, Lumchit, and I've been a problem. So being a Kintang, be playing Batala good, Kota Bebacorega, a pin the football Kurga Manyama came where you expected them. So if Rulani and Kuma Upit, yes, I understand those who say that much to Steve, but to Safiga that much. You understand? I understand the three of them, they are coaches, but for now, my coach, I will have a good drawing board. Simple bang faga you came to their team. Nothing bang changing the Ninguleo. And in that team, I'm sure they will beat Kaizer Chiefs, bro. Me now, according to Mnyakchela, with the freshman, the Santos the quality in depth on the bench. And these two coaches, as now Steve Nyam respect, as Jobang Shilu, with I respect them. With three of them, abanga compete. They can say whatever. He can banga charging their game, please. You understand? Because really, to Manqoba, they've seen him. And Manqoba, they've seen him. He was there with Pizzo, no Rulani winning the star and stuff, winning ama Absa Premiership previous Amaninyan. You understand? Steve, you won't say much. I figure their team. My reality is experienced coach. You say when he's asked, when it's asking. But my coach, I believe me that tomorrow people will be surprised. Sundowns will win that game. And you'll be Sandla, my brother. Mabangabe. Sometimes our coaches they will labanteng baziomin. Bazoyenza and job their team baz good. We need Absa Premiership, we need Nedbank. Change nothing, just put committee Rasmus. That's all, bro. And then I'm Moshagala that. Yeah.
All right. That's his prediction. You know, you can also you're more than welcome to go to World Sports Betting, www.worldsportsbetting, wsp.co.za. You can be able to put your money. If you think Kaizer Chiefs will win, if you think it will be a draw, you can go and put your money there as well. I just want to revisit this. How will Sundowns break down the Kaizer Chiefs? You're saying Sundowns will win. How will they do that? Do you think they will go with that front three, Sereno, Kemit Erasmus, and Utemba Zwane up front? Do you think, how can Chiefs block that? Does Chiefs have the ability to block a Leo situation, Leo? Should they change the formation in Kaizer Chiefs at the back to make it 4 as opposed to 3?
Kaizer Chiefs, you're going to show at the back, Basloga cool, Abeko fast. Tuesday, when by 3. In the middle, Abana Muntabazomla is Kaizer Chiefs. If you want to play Bloom is a youngster, Mfanex Amidas Proveka cool. A very good play at the back. not in the middle, because he can defend. Yes, upload. Okay, last week ufike wayenza uthinka wenza mistake ngokukhipha lo lela foreigner lela leli bekadlala ngale middle. That's why Kaizer Chiefs ifike ya break khona mabafaka ublue ngoba ufike wama le wakambe yangayenzi alahleka all over ufike wayenza. So if Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs will never ever match Sundowns ngespeed. Sereno came into Rasmus, the movement of the ball by 3, and I'm shishing at the brain. Confident is high, one play of the season, play of the season. Yeah. Confident midfield of the season, very high confident. You understand that, and I'm sure psychological job on permanent class. No matter say feature, those players they prove themselves. It class la paning. It's just that menabalung is on the psychological, and it class is permanent. Performance is something. That's why I get out because they perform, they scored, not perform. They scored last week.
Well, they did well in the second half.
True, mina ngizokutshela ngisasho mina bafitting ibheka ngendlela yam football. I want a team fluid. If you fluid, bra, in all angles, and then it's good. As ngisho ngayinika individual players ku Chiefs. I give Parker second half last week. Yeah. Uyangizwa ngithini bra? Individual I give it Kaizer Chiefs. I give Parker, I give uPluma kangena. I give lemfana lo up front number 11 lo Khama Pilat. We understand my brother. I give them disappointed obviously ngoCastro makangena. Ngeke ungene experience player bakubamba ama offside ay5. Njoba ngitshela ngithi kuwe I give those players, I give Khune as well. So individually Kaizer Chiefs did well. Angazi ngibamba. Ngizobeka nje kanjalo. Angeke ngifihlele give credit to you. And the coaching ayinika credit ngesapiyayo akamo. Ngiyayinika credit khipho akamo. Ibonile wazili ezingisho ngithi iplanning. Umjita nyamkena ngokuplana unayi planning. But it's not a coach that the team yakhe fluid in any team. He doesn't believe in skillful players. Ile ngifuna ukuyibona Kaizer Chiefs. I don't care who says what, because well tested tomorrow. I'm sorry, Nkululeko, ukhumbula ibench le Sundowns futhi le rich. At Kaizer Chiefs on the bench, who you gonna play? Hiyo ngithi Sundowns uyiwina le game. Mangabe la coach, it's a reality ngisayibeka nama izoyiwina. Hayi ukuthi mangabe le yokungabe kusho ukuthi bazobe bona bazilist if badlu, because Kaizer Chiefs ayikabi crane kuleko. I watched them in last week individual benze well. Khune I give Bluma kangena did well. You understand? I did well uParker second half. Sure. And then he come up with that. Chiefs and then yabonisa spark individually. But pound to pound problem at the back. Ngalia Sundowns joba ngisho if once Erasmus come in, I'm sure Mzwila tshela ama supporter ngimzwila ti 15 wayikaranta kulabantu surrounded 15 goals, imagine. It tells you, and it's got a pick out. Movement, basayina omunye umuntu lapha Nkululeko uziprovile at Paris, prove himself abroad in national team Cape Town City. Ngana quality. So Serene is something else. Individual plenty connect Sundowns and teamwork. Ukhumbule le share lapha. You understand? Just the Sundowns into a problem ngayo. Ba consider ngama set pieces. That's a downfall of Sundowns.
Which is the strength for Kaizer Chiefs.
But it's not. It's anybody's police strength really.
Okay, let's say Chiefs is the best in the country when it comes to that thing.
But mina ngicela ukuyibeka nje, I don't care what are you saying my brother, but ngizokutshela akunahlaphe good ngama set piece emoyini ipolice emoyini da noma ubani.
Chiefs are better than everyone in the country when it comes to set pieces.
Anyaxolisa bemele ngaba wine ngawo ileague.
Well, maybe that's the reason why they were not good enough. Ngaphakathi emdlalweni, maybe that's the reason why they went to number 1 until the last moment.
Which team won the league?
I'm not fighting that. I'm just saying you have to acknowledge whether you like it or not. If Sundowns weak kuma set pieces, then they are playing against a team which is strong on set pieces. We have to wrap it up. But just remind people, Uguti, what is your prediction for tomorrow?
Sundowns will win the game, and I'm not scared to say that. Uzongibamba isandla tomorrow after a game iphele, Sundowns will win the games. Yeah.
All right, there you go. www.wsp.co.za. iDiskiTV on Facebook. And of course, dislike the video, or put us on the comments as well what you think is going to happen on that game. Thank you very much for watching us.